this was unknown territory. Me not recognize none of them busha. Just bush pan left, bush pan right, a beer bush. Hi guys, it's your girl Couture Shanz and today we're back. Yeah, you named it. We're back with a story time. Listen, I've shared a couple story times on my channel before, so you guys can head on over and check them out. I'll link them up top and you guys can pre those. But today I'm going to share with you a story time of how I almost got kidnapped. Yeah, you heard it. Your girl almost get taken. They nearly taken the doll, but guys, just stick around for the story. I'm not going to even ramble too much. Not gonna do it. So without further ado, let's get into the story time, right? Let's get into the story. So guys, this took place around, let's say 2012, 2013. I think I was in my first or second year of university. And listen, my university life, as much as I didn't get to, experience university the way I wanted to, a part of that journey was spent, partying and, girl just not going with herself. Inti, you name it. Any party I keep a you Shanice was there. Mind you, me before university, I was like the shy girl, the nerd. Like in high school, always sitting the books, never going out in the house all the time, call me a house rat. Yeah, that was my life. And honestly, I really didn't have a problem with it, but I don't know, when I hit university, I decided that I wanted a change. Like, I no longer wanted that stigma of being a nerdy girl. Like, listen, want to be a atas, right? Girl want out in the streets, a party, I go out with herself. So I was like, in university, I'm going to, let loose a little and, enjoy myself. Not too much. I was still cautious because, as I tell you, coming from the old track days, girl never really know about the street. But luckily, I had a few friends who were like, living in the street. So they used to show me the ropes, bring me to certain places and all of these things. But looking back, I guess I could have gone without some of these excursions. Trust me. So, one fateful night now, we all decided that we're gonna go out, we're gonna have a girls' night. I think I don't recall any guys being there. At this point, I think it was either Fiction. If I can recall, I think we went to Fiction. This girl come out in our belly skin, our little turtleneck tube top. I'm gonna try to find a picture and insert it here. Embarrassing much. I think I should have that pic on Facebook. But this was a fateful night that we decided to go out on the town and just had a blast. I think we went to Fiction and the vibes just turned up. When I said the vibes turn up, I mean, I have been out before to clubs and so, but it's 9, 10 o'clock come, girl want to go home. So I don't think I got the full nightlife experience, like literally from the night to the next day. So this was like my first time. Listen, girl new to the thing. Girl new to the thing. Either way, I think we went to Fiction, and as I said, the vibes turn up in at the party. Lick at the elbow, we had drink, we enjoy ourselves, we just had to do. Mind you, me, I'm not a big drinker. Up to this day, I rarely drink when I go out. So I remember like I was sipping on something, nothing too heavy, nothing too much, just a 1 cup for the night. Probably at the end of the night, the 1 cup they still never finish. Ask my friend them about me. Shanice, and the drinking, and a friend. So yeah, we're there, clubbing, partying, thing. Time come for leave, right? Time come for leave. I was say, alright, we're sure about. Nobody know want to go home at this point. Them time the BK almost 24/7. So I said, alright, well, we're chilling on BK, right? We're chilling on BK, get something in our stomach, and then we'll see what go on afterwards. Man, you mean, my phone I blew up because my mother, she, listen. Me tell about mother already, if you don't know about my mother. I'm gonna tell her about her in another story time, but listen, girl could go nowhere and her phone now blew up. As a parent, no, I guess I can't understand where she was coming from, but back then, I just thought she was being clingy. I thought she was just being, wanting to shelter me too much. Like, just let the girl loose, now let the girl loose. But guys, if you're watching this and you have a parent like that who, is always just super protective of you, always wanting to know your whereabouts, like, listen, when you get older, you'll understand where they're coming from, right? And I can attest to that now that I'm a mom myself. So yeah, my phone I blew up because lady want to know me there. About midnight now and girl I reach home. So I'm like, you not answer the phone then, okay? One thing with me, if me ever answer the phone, I somebody with me, I hear something say, what? Me not answer the phone. Phone there ring. And poor lady probably couldn't even sleep the night, but such is life. Shanice never care, girl outside. I'm just want to enjoy myself. I wanted to enjoy myself uninterrupted. So I was like, I'm fine, don't need to worry about no. Like, what she call me phone for? Like, make the girl enjoy herself now. Same. I was ignoring her the whole time. By this time now, we reach Burger King. eat, we enjoy ourselves, we chat, all of these things. So nobody don't want to go home. So we say, alright, where the next period? Where are we going next? So as we said, this is about midnight thereabouts, or a little bit after. Not 100% sure. So somebody suggested that we go to Taboo. Girl never go Taboo in her life. I was like, what is this Taboo you guys are talking about? What is this Taboo? Either way, I reach back around the corner because BK is like a stretch from Taboo that's in New Kingston. So in the background of Taboo, we get Letty. Listen, I think we are going free. I think I look a man, I'll pay for. I'm not even sure, but for the entire night, I don't think I spent $1, if I'm being honest. So I reach a Taboo now, and this is my first strip club experience. Guys, we're gonna get to the meat of the matter, but let me tell you about the events that led up to, you know, the climax and all this. So, you know, third stop, Taboo. First strip club experience, and I was like so timid, so shy, like I was just not having it. I didn't feel comfortable at all, and I was just basically experiencing a culture shock. Naked girl, palm pool. I mean, I've seen this in movies, but I've never ever experienced it in real life. And I'm like just sitting there like, wow. So that's a go on, but what I go on, like honestly, money a chew, girl, I do them thing, and the place buzzy. We're there for a while, and I was like, you know, say me not enjoy this, you know, so me want to leave, but my friend them know want to know it, because apparently they're enjoying themselves. I mean, to each his own, but I was not having it. I don't feel comfortable in there at all. The place did smell of weird. It was just, if you've been to a strip club, then you know what I'm talking about. So by this time, I think I found myself at the back of the club, like where some couches were, you know, just a chilling and enjoy myself, while everybody down there, you know, experience the do. So I was at the back of the club, chilling, sitting down, and I remember a specific female coming over to me, and you know, I do her thing, and I was like, I need to get myself out of here, because this is not the life for me. Come here, approve, come whatever. I was out of there, right? So me take up my bag and me tell my friend and say, me I cut if not come on, come from now, come on now, come. Them say give them some more time. Them just say, you know, wrap it up and then we're gonna leave. I said fine. It's about 2, 3. Me not even know how long with it. At one point, me think I'll drop asleep in the strip club. Yeah, that's how lame Shanice was. Still is, don't get it twisted, but yeah, I think I'll drop asleep, me wake up, them not ready. Me I said no. By this time, morning I come out, guys. Me see sunlight, I peek out, so me I say shit. My phone still a blow up, you know, but me not pay it no mind. Me still in my own world, me still enjoy myself, and nothing not gonna ruin it. Sunlight I come out now, morning, so me I say, I saw really live. So I come up, I'm still there road. No, so I'm saying me ready for go. Them say, alright, let us go. It's about 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, sun just a peak up. And when I New Kingston, we say, alright, we're gonna jump on something, go Spain, and we'll go yard. Not all of us lived in Spanish Town, or not all of us had to traverse to Spanish Town. So I think by this time the group had split up. So I think me and another friend were the only 2 persons going to Spain. So alright, we said all goodbyes and we headed home. Girl, tag. Me not do nothing, you know, but me not tell you like, me not for the night due or what, but something about the nightlife just tired me out. I'm used to being in my bed. I think that was it. I'm used to being in my bed. I'm used to being asleep at this time. And I was like, this is just not for me. So right, I came to that realization. This is not for me. Boom bang, now we reach Spain. When we reached Spain, I think my friend saw like her cousin or some family member that was actually going home too. So say, alright, boom. Usually they would like put me on a taxi because me live a country, you know. Girl live a country, so everybody always put me on taxi, wait till I go in a car safely and gone home. But this time, as I said, she saw her family member, they were going home to say, alright, boom bam, I can get a straight ride. May I just go with them. And I was like, that's totally fine. Like, I can't travel by myself, right? Girl can't take care of herself, so I was like, fine, I will get a taxi, you can go on, see you later, text when you're reaching, you know the normal. So now, I was there walking, and usually, hear the taxi man or the loader man, them a ball out. Hola. If you know, you know. Hola, as much as me hate it, yeah, the man them a say, hola, one already, move. So me hear hola now, and me know where my taxi stand was. So I was like, okay, whenever my taxi stand, I must hola, but them taxi I go me here. Everybody about hola, so Me assume say. I have to assume. Man, them about whatever. This is my taxi stand. As much as I was out of it, probably look at one cup get to my head. I knew I heard whatever. So no girl got to car seat in the taxi. I think there was one person in the front of the car and 2 other persons in the back. So I was like the last person to get into the car, and then the taxi would be ready, because them say one already. As much as them lie, them not ready. This time one already actually mean one already. So the girl was so tired. Like, I'm still down on the taxi, and I saw when the driver came in. Mind you, me, I wasn't really looking at the driver. Yeah, I have my regular driver, them I'm go with them, actually know them, like know them face. But this man I did not recognize. So I was like, okay, early morning, I'm not used to taking taxis at that time. So maybe I know the man them were me used to, they are them yard or them load it for come back to Spain or whatever the case may be. I was like, okay, I'm not even think about it too tough, but I know I did not know that man. Should I listen? Should I stay on me the night then? I should stay on me either way. Girl said she want, you know, she want to be a girl, she want out on the town, so be careful of what you wish for. By this time now, I remember sitting in the car, and same time I'm sitting in the car, I'm going to take out my phone. Same time my mother called me about 50 times, she texted me about 100 times, and I was like, I'm on my way home. At this point, I didn't even send me a call her back. I just texted her and said, I'm on my way home. From phone and bag, I remember leaning up on the glass and said, I'm going to take a little nap, guys. Me not sleep in a taxi, no. Me not tell no lie. Me love sleep in a taxi. But if you sleep in a taxi and you take taxi go home, not something I recommend. But them time here, to me it was fine. The place never not run, so act like it around now. Don't let them something, alright? You sleep in a taxi, your body has like this biological clock that you know where you reach at a certain point. You know when you reach home, you know when you forget up. Or when you almost reach, where you go, you just get up, right? So me didn't know me asleep. Doze off a little, me asleep, me did it. And me I say, a time for get up now, like you're supposed to almost reach, right? A time for get up now. So girl open her eye, guys. So me open my eye. Tell me why. Wait. Listen to me. When I open my eye, beer bush. Mind you me live a bush too, but this was unknown territory. Me not recognize none of them busha. Just bush pan left, bush pan right, a beer bush. So I'm like, I don't know if I dream or what, but me not come to the realization that, listen, this is not where you're supposed to be. Someday I look around, I'm gonna say, alright, I really are going. At this point, about two of the 3 people in the taxi come out of the taxi already. And there was a guy in the back and the driver. So I say, where would they, like, I turn to him and I think I said to him, where would they? Or something like that, where are we? And like, he must say, we're so rich Linstead town, man. I say, Linstead town? Listen to me. Panic attack said time. I say, Linstead town, sir, all over me I go. Let me out. Listen. How me reach a Linstead town, I don't know. Someone say, like, at this point, I'm coming to. I'm out of my sleep. I'm wide awake. Cause me no know Linstead. I think at that point, no, me never go Linstead yet. Prior to that, no. I think after that event, I did end up going to like Linstead, Grand Market or some shit like that. But at this point, me no know Linstead. I have nobody at Linstead. There's no reason for they at Linstead. Girl, nobody at Linstead. When me do at Linstead? So the driver the pan, we soon reach the town, man. We soon reach the town. Don't worry yourself. Me I say, sir. I go. When I came in your taxi, I heard y'all saying Old Harbor. Oh, is it that I Linstead the reach? Some man I said, no man, the Old Harbor taxi them did up on the other side. Linstead this I go, Linstead this I go. I said, Jesus Christ, sir. I said, sir, I live in Old Harbor. Can you take me home, please? The man I laugh off him face. The next man beside me, him know. I know what him over there do or what, but I did not feel safe at all. Listen, I've seen this shit in movies. I watch news 7 o'clock at night time, and me know what can go down. So same time now I'm starting, alright, where am I going to jump out of the vehicle? Where am I going? I don't know, but as much as I was scared, as much as I was worried, like a part of me I said, alright, calm down. Them not gonna do you know. If them not gonna do you something, they would have do you already. Mind you, me miss you, they're around there asleep about half an hour now. If man them they want to take you, them take you a long time in your sleep, girl. You don't wake up. Somebody there said, Jesus Christ, some mother go kill me. Me mind know, them go kill me. And mother find me, she go kill me too. So I told it that. It never pretty for me. Some say, alright, cool, I go calm down. Right? I just calm down and see where them go bring me go. Well, him, because I don't know if the man in a collusion or if them a collude or whatever the case was, I don't know. But in that moment, I was like, alright, calm down. What the worst can happen? All the scenario, my life flash before my eye 10 times. I was like, okay, fine. So I drive them. Me did my heart a beat out of my chest. Me I see if man them really bring my girl into town or what. My hand upon the door handle. I want to jump out and I can't jump out. I want my just to say, alright, Shani, just sit down, calm down your nerves, you'll be fine. I don't know if an angel or devil or what. Calm down my nerves, I'll be fine. 2 tools, I'm still reaching around town for true people living up on the market side because I think this was Sunday morning. I remember we got the Saturday night, so this was Sunday morning. People start to look at market people and them, you know, up on the side 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. I guess that's their usual time. So I said, thank you, Lord. So the man said, alright, I'll put you back on another taxi car. Him now go back to Spain. So I'll put him on another taxi. Make me get to go back to Spain. I said, okay, sir, thank you so much. I appreciate it because listen. I've never ever been in a situation like that before. I know I have survival instinct for say do this, do that. So chances are if them man they want to do something, them would have do it to me, and that would have been it because girl on me no know streets. I did not know these streets. Okay? So now the man put me in one taxi, we go Spain, the taxi load, I'm there around there. And the whole time I'm there around there, guys, I made this I look through the window. Not even my phone, I don't want to see. No distraction, I'm wide awake, not even look sleep again, right? This time now, journey back to Spain. So by this time, I think my mother was calling me again. Still can't answer my phone. About 2 hours now, me tell her, say, meet up on my way, I come home, and girl is nowhere to be found. So now, I'm saying, alright, boom, bang, I'm going to send nothing to her. I'll just go home. As planned and see what go on, right? Reach Spain, get a next taxi. This time say driver. Make sure I go to the driver myself. Make sure I look on the side of the taxi, say whatever. But sometimes that they even matter because some of the driver them go off of them route, them go all about place. I said, driver, where is this taxi going? The man said, Old Harbor. I said, where? About 10 times I asked the man where the taxi I go because this now reach me again. The man said, Old Harbor. I said, alright. Going to the car, I said, miss with the taxi I go because ask everybody in the car the taxi I go because me traumatized, me dramatized times 10. So now, final calm down in the car, reach my yard. When we reach home, my mother was not there. So I say, yes, thank you, Jesus. Me live to see another day or another couple hours because she can't do me nothing, right? She ain't home. She don't know what time I got in. So my story is, I got to tell her, say, me reach home a long time. You see me? Girl was out, got in long ages ago. I don't know where you were, but me reaching. So now I'm reaching. Couldn't even sleep, but I was tired, so I said, alright, I'm gonna take a little nap. Took my little nap. By them time I wake up, Sunday dinner I cook, I smell little pot and tea, I go out there, I see my mother. So she not say nothing to me. So I say, this is weird. Why is she so calm? She been calling my phone, she been texting my phone, I'm not responding like it. I could be dead in a ditch somewhere. Like she not even look worried. Like the look on her face is like a normal look. Me I say, Miss, pity you don't even know what just happened to your child or what could have happened to your child. And guys, to this day I did not tell her. If she's watching this video the first she got hear about, you know, some things when you say I bring to your grave. This was one said incident that I plan to bring to my grave, but I said let me share it, and it's a story time because listen, we all go through things in life, and you know, it's just a learning process. And I'm sure positive if something's supposed to reach me like that again, knock on wood, praise it doesn't, I'll be more prepared. Because listen guys, I honestly was not prepared. Had it been like, had this the journey taken a turn for the worse, I would not have been prepared. I would not have known what to do. Maybe survival instincts so that would have kick in, I don't know. But as I said, I never have the survival instincts. I not grew up them way that I feel like, you know, rough and tough and do certain things. Did I just spit in the camera? I'm sorry. But yeah, sis was so calm, just cooking dinner and just going like no, I'm say this is very strange, right? Knowing my mother, this was very strange. So me just act like say no, I'm too. Me just act like say me did a long time and thing. And from that day on, we went on. We didn't speak about that night. I didn't tell my friends. I honestly don't think I told anybody. So yeah guys, that's the story of how I almost got kidnapped. Well, really and truly, me give myself and me off up myself to the man them and say, see me here, take me, because I was just not vigilant and I was just out in these streets just not having a care in the world. And that's something that I advise against. Just always be vigilant, especially nowadays. It can't be too safe. Back then, as I said, times were different, and I have so many story times of excursions that we went on and things that I could never even dream of doing now because of how the environment is, or how the how the world are run, basically. Crime and violence, all of that. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little story time. And listen, I have so many stories to share with you guys. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button down there. Leave a comment, tell me what was your favorite part of the story. So yeah guys, let me know in the comments, share your stories with me. And if I'm being honest, speaking to you guys or letting this secret out, because it really was a big secret, as I said, I would have taken it to my grave. It kind of took a burden off of me, because all these years I've been living with this, carrying this, and basically beating myself up for being so naive. And so it doesn't hurt to share your stories and basically enlighten other individuals on how to avoid circumstances like these. So guys, feel free to share them in the comments. I'd really appreciate it. Start the conversation and let's just enlighten each other, right? Let's just help each other move forward in life, be safe, and just stay positive. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave and join the Couture fam. We're growing guys, and I love that for us. So yeah, until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.